Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. We're going to be working on code.org, and we're in Computer Science Principles, so CSP, and we're in Unit 4, okay? We're going to scroll on down a little far. Here we go. We were working through the Tic Tac Toe, so if you haven't looked at video 1 or 2 before this, please do so. That gets you the first steps. That takes you through steps 1, 2, and 3. And now we're on to 11, level 4. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and jump over there. I'm going to turn off my video so that gives me a little bit more screen room. There we go. And we're on part C of tic-tac-toe. So let's jump right in. Or C is the option. We're on level 4 of tic-tac-toe. Okay, so far we have did a little bit of programming on this. We've added the conditionals, right? So we're checking, we're placing our squares or circles. So we did that. Then we started checking to see if there was a win. Right here, that was our checking. See if we've won yet. And so let's see what our instructions are now. Just minimize that. Okay, cat's game, tic-tac-toe. A tie game comes from the concept that a cat cannot catch its own tail. Just like a player in tic-tac-toe cannot win a game that is already tied. And that's just kind of obvious, right? If there's nowhere else to place an X or an O, then it's a tie game. There's no way to win. We can't go back and redo without wiping out the board and starting over. So it says, we have now created almost all possibilities through conditional statements to make our tic-tac-toe game fully functional. However, there is one state left, the tie game. So, how can we determine if every space on the board is filled up and there is nowhere left for a player to click? As a final conditional, we need to test whether there are any blank spaces left. If not, then it's a classic cat's game, and we need to offer the user the ability to restart the game again. So we're going to scroll down to where we see this 5. There's 5. Okay. Just look at that right there. It says create a final conditional, a final if statement, right? That checks all available spaces to see if they are not empty. Okay. There are variables for A through I, and we've already done that. It was A, B, C, right? And you can see my ID, that's D space, E space, F space. It goes all the way to I space there. So we got that. We've got the variables that contain string values. The string value will either be an X or an O if a space has been selected, or it will be blank if the square has not been picked. So it says use the not logic operator to create the conditional logic. All right, so we're going to use the not logic. See if there's anything more on here. Need help with the algorithm? Ooh, boy, is that a big algorithm. And look at that. They actually have that algorithm written out there that we're going to be doing. Now, I'm not going to try to do this in the blocks, because if we look at how many squares, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of those squares in there. We're going to write it out more like this, okay? It says note the AND logic operator, the double amp sign, has been highlighted above to help differentiate the different parts of the expression. So we have, okay, so else if. So if A is not blank and B is not blank and C is not blank, right? So if I were to read this as code, it's variable A is not equal to blank. All right, so we're looking to see if there's anything left. And we're going to jump in there and start programming. So I'm going to move that up. That's kind of nice having that right there. I didn't realize I could do that. So here we go. We're going to start here, and I'm just going to type this in. I could probably go up and copy and paste this in, but I don't want to mess up and get, a parenthesis that I shouldn't have or anything. So else if you wanted to try to build it, we're doing not equal to, right? It's going to look like that. So we have A is not equal to blank, which is just that open, right? And so I've got not equal to, and I don't know, I might have messed myself up by starting this way, and B is not equal to blank. I'll put a space, and so what's the next one? C, yep. C not equal to blank, and E not equal to blank, and A, B, C, D, E, I'm on to F, not equal to blank, and G not equal to blank, and H, boy, learning my alphabet here. I'm going to put a space after that, and H is not equal to blank, and H, my final one, I, not equal to blank. Now I'm going to look through here real quick and see if I've messed anything up. I'm looking at lowercase. So all my variables are lowercase. So I want to make sure lowercase a, b, c. Oh, guess what? I forgot D. So C, I'm just going to jump in here and put C is not equal to blank, and D not equal to blank. Okay, so now continue checking. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, that looks good. I've got not equals blank, and not equal blank, 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 not equal blank. Looks good. Let me see what happens when I click off of here. We may end up with an error. Yeah, I think we're going to, because I started this way. So I'm going to pull this out and just get rid of it, because I think what happened is if I go to the text side, we're going to see some problems happening. But see if it'll let me. Nope. Here we go again. Hey, oops. Oh man, did I start deleting stuff? Okay, version history. We're going to go back to this one. Oops, I didn't want to view that. I want to restore this one. Okay, back down to 5. There it is. Okay, that's blank. We're going to delete that out of there. So now, A equal. What am I doing? That is not right. Maybe I want to put this up so I can look at it again, just to help me out. Look at it this way. So here we go. We have our else if, okay? Now, start with A not equal to blank space and, oops, sevens, and B not equal blank blank. And you can see it's popping in an error when I have an and nothing to check. And C not equal blank blank. And C, D not equal. Kind of repetitive, right? But you get the idea. E, double E, not equal. Oh, man. F not. All right, F, G. I'm going to have to check to see if I've done my, and I need to make sure that those are all knots. And so I'll go back and proofread again. A G, H is not equal to blank. And I not equal to blank. Okay. And what is it saying? Oh, now it needs a semicolon. It's saying A not equal and B not equal to and C not equal to and D not equal to and E not equal to and F not equal to G not equal to H not equal to and it looked like it was working before I got to I. Oh, G. Look here. I forgot my ands. Not equal to H. Guess you get a lot of see what not to do, right? Okay. Oh my gosh. And then if I look at it, it should look real similar to what they have there. Now we're going to hit run and try this. X's turn. X, O's turn. So that's good. I'm not getting a win right away, right? We're going to try to do a cats game. O's turn. X's turn. O's turn. Ooh, I'm going to win there. X. Well, I guess I'm going to have a win. So X's turn. X wins. Okay. Reset. X, O, X, O, X, O, X, O, X. Draw. That worked. Nice. Now, I think I did an X win, so let's have an O win. O, X, O, X, O. And O wins. Hey, the game's working. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you have fun. Remember, you could always share this so you could put it onto your phone, which would be kind of a fun way to go around and show your friends what you've programmed. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you again later.